How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your JBL Quantum 100 microphone not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the sound setting. You could just type it inside your search bar and then of course head over to the settings of your Windows. From here, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through input. Look for your JBL microphone. It's going to be inside right here. And if you cannot see it, this only means that you haven't connected your device properly. So you want to basically use another USB port on your motherboard to see if the device will connect properly. But from here, just make sure that you click or enable the JBL Quantum 100 microphone. And you also have to make sure that the microphone volume is turned up on this section. And so right after, let's then head over to the device manager. Go ahead and navigate through the audio inputs and outputs. Look for your JBL microphone. And if it's not working, it's most likely that we have an outdated driver. Once again, head over to your JBL Quantum right here. Click Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And then just go ahead and update your driver, and from there you're good to go. But once again, one of the most common issues is having connected it to a broken USB port. So you just want to make sure that you connect it to the updated ones. It's going to be the USB port with the blue colors in them. That means that you're using the USB 3.0. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.